From strange weather phenomena to events that defy logic, Earth has seen some truly bizarre moments. Today, we are counting down the top 10 most unusual events on Earth ever. Get ready to have your mind blown. On number 10, we have the dancing plague of 1518. In July 1518, residents of Starburg suddenly began dancing uncontrollably for days, with some even dancing to their deaths. No one really knows why, but theories suggest it could have been caused by mass hysteria or ergot poisoning. On number 9, we have the Tunguska event, 1908. In 1908, an explosion above the Tunguska River in Siberia flattened over 800 square miles of forest. It's believed to have been caused by the airburst of a meteoroid or comet, yet no impact crater was ever found, a mystery that remains unsolved. On number 8, we have the miracle of the sun, 1917. In Fatima, Portugal, over 70,000 people gathered to witness a miraculous event in 1917. The sun appeared to dance in the sky, spinning and changing colors. This event was officially declared a miracle by a Catholic church, but scientists still don't know what exactly happened. On number 7, we have the Great Emu War, 1932. In 1932, Australia declared war on emus after the birds ravaged crops. Despite the military using machine guns, the emus proved nearly impossible to defeat, and the war ended in an embarrassing victory for the birds. On number 6, we have the year without a summer, 1816. Due to the eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia, the year 1816 became known as the year without summer. Global temperatures dropped, crops failed, and there were widespread famines. It's one of the most extreme effects of volcano activity on Earth's climate. On number 5, we have the Great Molasses Flood, 1919. In Boston, a massive tank of molasses exploded in 1919, sending a wave of molasses through the streets at 35 miles per hour. The disaster killed 21 people and injured 150. It's one of the weirdest and most tragic industrial accidents in history. On number 4, we have the phantom time hypothesis. This theory suggests that a period of 297 years from AD 614 to 911 never actually happened. Some historians claim that these years were fabricated, either intentionally or by mistake. While not widely accepted, it's a fascinating theory that challenges our understanding of history. On number 3, we have the disappearance of Flight 370, 2014. On March 8, 2014, Malaysia Airlines Flight 370 vanished without a trace. Despite extensive search efforts, no definitive wreckage was found until years later. The mystery surrounding its disappearance remains one of the aviation's most perplexing unsolved cases. On number 2, we have the Taos hum, 1990s till present. Since the 1990s, residents of Taos, New Mexico, have reported hearing of low-frequency hum that only some people can hear. Despite investigations, no source has been identified, making the Taos hum one of the most enduring auditory mysteries. On number 1, we have 1561 celestial phenomenon over Nuremberg. In 1561, residents of Nuremberg, Germany, witnessed a bizarre aerial battle in the sky. Large spheres crosses, and other objects reportedly fought and crashed. The event was documented by a local woodcut, and to this day, no one can explain what really happened. These events may seem too strange to be true, but Earth has a long history of bizarre, unexplainable moments. Which one of these blew your mind? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind blogging content.